We're gonna watch Land of Hands. One of the best fillers on Treehouse. A Ratchet production. Same company that did Big Comfy Couch. Sorry if the camera's too bright. I'm not sure if we'll get copyrighted for this or not. It's gotta be aware. I love this show. It gives me tight memories.
It was a beautiful day in the Land of Hands, and Bungle was playing with stones.
Taking this from one of the Treehouse tapes that I have. I only have 2 Land of Hands episodes, just to let you know.
He was throwing the stones at a tree. When Bungle's father saw what he was doing, he was upset. That's dangerous, said Bungle's father. You don't want to throw stones at birds and bees. You don't want to bother the bees, said Bungle's dad. They help the berry bushes turn their flowers into berries. And the birds eat the berries.
Ugh, that's gross. The hands or the wings.
And we eat the berries too. Bungle found a coconut. What about all the fruit we don't eat? Asked Bungle. Bungle's dad explained that the fruit that falls on the ground gets eaten by the worms. And the worms turn it into soil, so more trees can grow. Bungle thought about this for a while. The bees help the trees grow the fruit, and the fruit gets eaten by the birds.
Sorry, just gotta, I don't want the camera to slip. It's my iPad, of course.
Eat the worms too. That's right, said Dad. Bungle was amazed. Everything works together. The birds, and the bees, and the flowers, and the trees. That's where all our
I'm gonna tape the bumpers at the end.
Let's go home and have some dinner, said Bungle, just like the birds do. And so they all gathered together for a wonderful dinner. With delicious food. Bungle liked the way that everything in nature was connected. The birds, the bees, the flowers, and the trees, and the delicious food that he liked to eat.
Canadian, yeah. This is from Canada. Love this show.
On Treehouse. Well, it's the bear's first time on Treehouse, and they're making excuses. You see, they're still sick. They're so nervous they can't eat or sleep. Treehouse. But they'll do a great job. Third thing bear.
Treehouse! I love that. Because they live in a treehouse.
Matt can't say more than a word or two. Hungry. Elephant. Fire truck.
I like the adult voice that they put over that. That's pretty funny.
You're all sticky. Max and Ruby. Sundays on Treehouse.
I love this bumper. Probably a lot of you might not remember this one. I didn't really remember until I watched this last year. Didn't really remember a lot of this. I like richer stuff like this. And I like to upload my stuff on here because I save it forever on YouTube. And I save it for everyone else to watch. Okay, bye!